Hello, this is a short video just to see how the first time setup looks in Ruby. So what we have here, it's a 2-inch drone and a VRX module all in one with display, so everything is working fine. So now let's go back in time and see how hard it was to set up the telemetry and everything. Okay, so I connected an external HDMI display so we can better see what's going on. I flashed Ruby on both the controller and the drone, so now first step is to just search for it. We'll search on 5.8 GHz band, so let's see. It will take just a minute to search, and I think it's somewhere around 5800 MHz. So okay, so it did found the drone. We just have the option to connect either for controlling the drone, either as a spectator. So now we just want to pair with the drone. Okay, so now it's doing the pairing. And first step, it will ask us what type of air unit, because now there are multiple air units with the same hardware, so we cannot really tell automatically. So let's say I have a generic OpenIPC, and now you see it will try to detect automatically the telemetry settings, the type of telemetry, the baud rate and everything. The idea is that the air units, some air units have multiple serial ports, so it will try automatically to detect everything. So as you see, it detected that we are using Mavlink, we are using MSP, display, serial port 2 and so on. So now you also have the option for an OSD layout, so we can change it to none, to minimal, where we just show the MSP, and in the corner we show the radio link, and in the bottom we show the voltage. You have compact, where you can see also the video stream, some information about the video stream. You also have the default one, where you see a little bit more information like the quality of the video stream and so on. So basically you can choose whichever you like, so minimal, so it all looks good. Now it will do the wizard for radio link, so it will try to automatically detect the best radio settings to use for this drone and this controller, because of course the radio hardware can differ from manufacturer to manufacturer, so the quality is different. So we need to actually figure out at runtime what's the best radio settings to use. We will just keep it for now, and basically that's all. Now we are just paired with this drone and we can start to use it. Again, in the menu it's simplified. Now you just have a quick setup where we can quickly change just the frequency, transmission power, OSD layout, and that's pretty much it. Those are the most common settings you want to change: frequency, power and OSD. Of course you can still go to full settings and change each OSD element. You change camera parameters, video parameters and so on. But overall, as soon as you open the menu, you just see a quick setup where you can quickly change the most common settings. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Take care.